Today we're going to show you how to replace your non-vented old range hood with a new vented hood in easy steps. Read the directions carefully and follow them for removing the hood from the packaging material. Next, carefully remove the old hood from underneath the cabinet. Turn off the breaker before working on the wiring and have someone help hold the hood. Once the hood is removed, cut through the soffit to make room for the new ductwork. Make the opening large enough so you can work easily. It'll be covered by the hood.
Thank you, Mike.
Alright, that's about it. Unless you want me to cut the...
I know, let's see if we can pry it down.
Watch out for screws and nails when removing the drywall.
Yeah, it's probably got screws in it.
You want me to cut this hole up here right away, Tom?
You'll need to remove any wood that's in the way so you can access the vent that was installed through the siding outside. We now have complete access to install the ductwork.
I see your light though, at least. That's good.
That's fine. Yeah, just, hey, I figured.
I got it, like I said, I'm glad I started here, but if you go look, I only got it so far. And I can't...
We installed the access vent to the outside of the house previously to this installation. Make sure you cover and protect everything. It makes for a happy wife. Assemble all your ductwork parts and make sure they fit properly before installation. Next, measure and mark the openings you need to cut out of the cabinet, both top and bottom, accordingly. Follow the instructions and measure off the actual hood openings itself. That way you'll have the same size on your cabinets. Marking your openings with duct tape makes it easier to see on the wood. Also keeps it from splitting.
We don't want this nail, do we, Tom?
No.
I'll keep this screw
You can
in
put it to your nail collection.
We all have a nail and screw collection.
Alright, there's a bat here. Looks old. Who's that? Oh, well, yeah, I know who that is. So.
The old saying holds true in this case as well. Measure twice, cut once.
One more.
Now to cut on the other side.
What? That's fine.
Smart.
Once you connect the ductwork, it's time to install the hood.
See on the flashlight holder. You want the little stool so you can sit on it and look up?
Make sure all the screws are installed properly and tight. Connect the ductwork to the vent and make sure everything is tight. Sheet metal is sharp. Make sure you wear your proper safety gear. Install the clamps properly and ensure they are tight.
Hey, look, they have this little adapter to make keep this stuff stay dry.
What?
They have a little cap here to make.
Doesn't work.
Sorry.
A nut driver would have been a good tool to have in this instance. Next, ensuring the breaker is still off, reconnect all the wiring according to instructions.
That hole is caulked and sealed up good.
There's a little.
The whole installation took about 4 hours, but we took time for lunch and made a couple trips to the hardware store. Came out really great. Thanks to Tony and Mike for helping out. I couldn't have done it without you.